Today, we're diving deep into a battle of two tech titans, Mark Zuckerberg versus Jeff Bezos. These two figures have not only shaped the digital landscape, but also redefined how we interact with technology and each other. We're going to dissect their strategies, their empires, and their visions for the future. This isn't just about who has more money, it's about who is building the future we'll all be living in. From social media dominance to e-commerce empires, and even ventures into space, the scope of their ambitions is truly breathtaking. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey through the minds and empires of these two iconic leaders. You've heard the headlines: AI, Metaverse, space wars, massive acquisitions, but which one is actually positioning themselves to dominate the future? The media is saturated with stories about their latest endeavors, but it's often difficult to see the forest for the trees. We're constantly bombarded with news about groundbreaking AI developments, immersive metaverse experiences, the race to conquer space, and the endless stream of companies being bought and sold. But behind all the hype, there's a strategic game being played, a chess match where Zuckerberg and Bezos are constantly trying to outmaneuver each other. The question is, who has the better long-term strategy? Who is making the right bets on the technologies that will truly matter in the years to come? Make sure you watch all the way through, because near the end I'll reveal a little-known financial move one of these billionaires made that the media barely covered. If you're serious about your financial journey, hit that subscribe, like, and share this with your family, friends, or that co-worker who thinks they're the next Elon. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date on the latest insights and strategies for building wealth in the digital age. Liking the video helps us reach a wider audience and share these valuable lessons with more people. And sharing it with your network is a great way to spark conversations and help your friends and family achieve their own financial goals. After all, building wealth is a team sport, and the more we learn and grow together, the better off we'll all be. First up, Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta. He was the founder of Facebook at just 19 years old, a platform that revolutionized social networking. But Zuckerberg's ambition didn't stop there. He boldly rebranded his entire empire to focus on the metaverse, envisioning a future where digital and physical worlds seamlessly blend. And now, he's making a significant push into the realm of AI, recognizing its potential to reshape Meta's future and the world at large. Next, we have Jeff Bezos, the visionary founder of Amazon, the world's largest online retailer. He transformed the way we shop, bringing convenience and accessibility to consumers worldwide. But Amazon is more than just an online store. It's a vast ecosystem of services and technologies. While he stepped down as CEO, Bezos remains executive chairman, actively shaping the company's strategic direction. His interests extend far beyond retail, encompassing Blue Origin, his space exploration venture, Amazon Web Services, AWS, the leading cloud computing platform, and the Washington Post, a prominent news publication. These individuals are not just entrepreneurs building companies. They're architects of digital infrastructure, laying the foundations for the future of technology and communication. They've built empires that touch nearly every aspect of our lives, from how we connect with friends and family to how we access information and conduct business. But now, their visions for the future are seriously diverging. Zuckerberg is betting big on the metaverse and AI-driven social experiences, while Bezos is focused on expanding Amazon's reach in cloud computing, space exploration, and other ventures. This divergence sets the stage for an intriguing competition as they pursue their distinct paths and shape the technological landscape in their own unique ways. Fast forward to 2025, and the tech landscape is almost unrecognizable. The giants of Silicon Valley are no longer just building apps or social networks. They're actively shaping the very fabric of our digital existence. Zuckerberg, for instance, is betting big on the transformative power of AI, envisioning a future where social experiences are deeply intertwined with artificial intelligence. He sees AI not just as a tool, but as a fundamental building block for the next generation of online interaction, aiming to create more immersive, personalized, and engaging experiences for billions of users worldwide. This isn't just about tweaking algorithms, it's a complete reimagining of how we connect and communicate in the digital age. Meta's commitment to AI is evident in its recent release of Llama 3, a groundbreaking open-source AI model that has sent ripples throughout the industry. Llama 3 isn't just another incremental update. It's a significant leap forward in AI capabilities, positioning Meta as a serious contender alongside established AI powerhouses like Google and OpenAI. Meanwhile, Jeff Bezos, another titan of the tech world, continues to make headlines, but not just for his ventures into space. His influence extends far beyond the cosmos, shaping the very infrastructure that underpins the internet itself. But why is he in the news again? What new strategic play is Bezos orchestrating that has everyone talking? The answer lies in his relentless pursuit of innovation and his unwavering commitment to building the future, one technological leap at a time. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, has quietly become the backbone of a significant portion of the internet, providing the cloud computing infrastructure that powers countless websites, applications, and services. Recently, AWS launched a comprehensive suite of new AI services, specifically tailored for enterprise clients, further solidifying its position as a leader in the AI revolution. These services empower businesses of all sizes to leverage the power of AI to improve efficiency, drive innovation, and gain a competitive edge in an increasingly data-driven world. And let's not forget Bezos' ambitious space venture, Blue Origin. In a landmark achievement, Blue Origin recently secured a massive NASA contract to spearhead the development of crucial infrastructure on the Moon. This contract represents a significant step forward in the effort to establish a permanent human presence on the lunar surface, paving the way for future exploration and scientific discovery. Blue Origin's involvement in this project underscores Bezos' long-term vision for space exploration and his commitment to pushing the boundaries of human achievement. Zuckerberg and Bezos, these aren't just tech CEOs competing for market share. They're not simply playing a game of chess. They're actively designing the chessboard itself, shaping the rules and defining the very landscape on which the future of technology will be built. Their investments in AI, cloud computing, and space exploration are not isolated endeavors. They're interconnected pieces of a larger strategic vision, a vision that will have profound implications for all of us. They are the architects of our digital future. Zuckerberg bets on ecosystems and attention. He's building the digital skin of humanity with Meta AI, Arkansas glasses, and the Metaverse. Yes, that's still alive and evolving. Bezos bets on logistics, infrastructure, and control. He wants to power the tools other companies use to grow. Think AWS, supply chains, even cloud satellite. So who wins long term? It depends. Do you want to control eyeballs or everything behind the screen? Real quick. If you're watching this thinking, how do I learn to think like a billionaire? How do I build something real? That's exactly why we created Exodus Capital. We teach real-world investing strategies, online business models, and tech-informed wealth building through premium courses you won't find on YouTube. Tap the link in the description to explore our programs or book a free strategy call with our team. Let's talk money. Zuckerberg quietly sold nearly $600 million in Meta stock over the past 6 months, while also pouring capital into Reality Labs and AI research. Bezos, he's ramping up private equity investments, especially in AI healthcare, clean energy, and space tech. Here's the kicker. Both are diversifying. Not just investing, but controlling entire ecosystems. So what can you take from all this? Think long-term infrastructure. Just like Bezos, your income stream should scale without your time. Leverage attention and algorithms. Like Zuck, the fastest path to capital now often starts with content plus AI. Diversify smartly. Both of these guys are hedging with hard assets, tech, and private equity. You don't need billions to follow their moves. You just need the blueprint. That's what we teach inside Exodus Capital. Look, you've got two titans here. One is building platforms for people. The other is building platforms for everything. But both are investing in what's next. If you want to do the same, check out Exodus Capital. We've helped thousands get started in stock investing, real estate, and AI-powered income streams. Hit subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who needs this. A friend, a partner, or that coworker who's still stuck in the 9-5 matrix. I'll see you in the next one.